Hey guys, it's Coach Tapman, and we are going to be talking about mechanical advantage. And so, what is mechanical advantage? Well, mechanical advantage is a measure of the force amplification achieved by using a tool, mechanical device, or machine system, and that's straight from Wikipedia. And so, the term used to refer to both true mechanical advantage and ideal mechanical advantage is, unfortunately, mechanical advantage. And so, we'll talk a little bit more in a second about what ideal mechanical advantage is, but you just need to understand that sometimes people use the same term to refer to both. And so it's useful for you to be able to describe which one specifically you're talking about. Often mechanical advantage is shortened to MA, and sometimes you'll see ideal mechanical advantage shortened to IMA. But what is ideal mechanical advantage? Well, an ideal mechanism transmits power without adding to or subtracting from it. So essentially, you're assuming that your efficiency is 100%, or you're experiencing no losses in your system. So let's think about an example. Let's say you're pushing a box up a hill or an inclined plane. Well, you would be experiencing an ideal mechanical advantage equal to the length of the hill over the height. Well, in reality, let's say that you had a hill, but it was covered in sandpaper. It would be much, much more difficult to push an object up that sandpaper hill than it would a perfectly smooth, glassy, frictionless hill. And so your efficiency wouldn't be 100% in the example of a sandpaper hill. And so that would be there'd be a mechanical advantage associated with that hill, but your true mechanical advantage would be different than your idealized mechanical advantage. So that's important, and we'll discuss that more when we talk about efficiency. But nonetheless, your mechanical advantage, your true mechanical advantage, is calculated using your output force over your input force. And so you'll know if it's greater than 1, you experience some kind of an amplification or an advantage using a tool. And if it's less than 1, then you actually suffered and had to work harder than if you would have just applied the force directly to whatever it was that you're applying a force to. So mechanical advantage for simple machines, looking at the 6 agreed upon simple machines, what you'll see is there's a different way to calculate the ideal mechanical advantage for each of them. And we're going to talk about these specifically in each video associated with all of the different simple machines. But this is a really useful slide that I would certainly encourage you guys to keep a picture of, that you can study and refer to whenever you're solving problems for the ideal mechanical advantage of different simple machines. And so thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. And then we will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.